Hermes Agent plus SuperGrok. Build anything. What if there was an open source agent that actually remembers everything you teach it? What if you could plug your Grok subscription into it and let it run on your own machine day and night? Why is nobody talking about this combo? It just dropped, and most people have no idea what's coming. Stick with me because I'm about to show you how this changes the way you work with AI forever. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools to get real work done. In this video, I'm going to break down what Hermes Agent is, what SuperGrok brings to the table, how to combine them in a few minutes, and the exact pro tips I'd give you if you were just starting out. Stay till the end, because the last setup tip is the one most people miss, and it really makes the whole thing actually click. Let me start with Hermes Agent. Hermes Agent is an open source AI agent built by Noose Research. The simple way to think about it is this: most AI chatbots forget everything the moment you close the tab. Hermes is the opposite. It runs persistently. It creates long-term memory across sessions. It learns as you use it. It can run on any computer, sandbox, or VPS. It does not need to be tied to one screen. You can connect it to WhatsApp, Discord, Telegram, Signal, or other messaging providers. So you can start a task in one place, walk away, and pick it up later. The agent is the same agent the whole time. And here is the part that makes it different. It is self-improving. It builds a deepening understanding of you across sessions. So instead of explaining yourself every time, it gets sharper the longer it runs. The longer you use it, the more useful it becomes. Now let me tell you about Grok. Grok is the AI model built by XAI. SuperGrok is a subscription plan that gives you access to the advanced Grok features. Grok by itself is strong, but it lives inside the Grok app or website. That means when you close it, the context is gone. That is where the new update comes in. Starting today, you can use your Grok subscription directly inside Hermes Agent. This is the part that changes everything. Think about what just happened. You took Grok, you dropped it inside an open source agent that runs persistently, remembers across sessions, and works across the messaging apps you already use. Your existing Grok plan becomes the brain inside an agent that never forgets. You are not stuck inside a single chat window anymore. And here is something important. This integration is available on every tier. If you have a Grok subscription, you can connect it. You don't need the highest plan to get in. That is huge because it means the door is open to anyone who is already using Grok. Let me walk you through the features you get when you combine these two. The first one is Grok 4.3 for text conversations and advanced reasoning. So all the heavy thinking, the long form writing, the planning, the research, all of that runs inside Hermes now with Grok doing the reasoning behind the scenes. The second one is Grok text to speech for spoken responses. So when Hermes replies, it can actually talk back to you in a natural voice. Picture asking your agent a question on Telegram and getting a voice note back instead of a wall of text. The third one is Grok Imagine. So your agent can create images and videos on demand. You ask, it makes, it sends. No switching apps, no copy pasting between tools. Now let me get into the real benefits. Benefit one, you stop losing context. Most people start a project with AI, ask 20 questions, get great answers, and then the next day they have to re-explain everything. Hermes remembers across sessions, so the context you build up does not disappear when you close the window. Benefit two, you can reach it from anywhere. Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, Signal, it does not matter. You message Hermes and it works on your behalf. You can be away from your computer and still hand off tasks to it. Benefit three, you get the best of both worlds. The reasoning, voice, and image and video power of Grok, plus the memory and workflow power of an open source agent. Most people pick one or the other. You do not have to anymore. Benefit four, it is yours, it is open source. It runs on your machine, your sandbox, or your VPS.